In video tutorial Excel, this we're gonna be discussing how to make a table. So this video fits perfectly for friends who are just learning Excel. This is the basic video, how we create table in Excel, because in Excel this is identical to table. Okay, let's just go straight to the tutorial. Well, here I have the data. Friends could have been choose that want to make the table like this. Yes, in a way. Drag like this. Okay, then guys can right-click. Then select the format cells. Or you can use the button Ctrl+1. Press simultaneously. After popping like this, then select Tab Border. Then, just choose the outline. Then inside. Then it can be on the OK. Well, the result is like this. In case your friends want to, making his line. For example, the line below. To listen no. Mark, color and location. Stock, that's the line. Double or a little thick. We can choose like this. We repeat the previous way, that is right-click. Select Format Cells. Then because that was the part here. The bottom means that this one. This one. We click on this one. We want to make double line, or like this, or a thick line, whatever. Just choose which one. I choose this one, then I click here. OK, then OK. Well, look at the results like this. Pretty easy, right? Then when friends want to shrink the table, can be like this, direct here. To column B exactly like this. Between columns B and C there is a line ordered to be detained. Then pulled to the left. 4. The table will be small like this. If you raise him, instead drawn to the right like this. OK, for the line guys can do the same thing, which is pulled down like this. Then she would be big. Pulled up like this. Then he will be small. Then we can make color yes on the cell. On blocks like this, just choose this one. For example, this color. Pretty easy, right? Next, friends can make a title on the table. On blocks like this, then choose Home. Choose this one. Merge and center. Well, the cell will be incorporated like this. Just write, what's the title? Like this. Can be raised from here. Then the type of writing can be selected. OK, then the thickness, choose this one. Well, like that. Next, if you want the writing is not black, can be blocked like this, replace this one. For example, the color white. OK, like that. Well, it's easy, right? If you want to replace, this name is, for example, this sheet is sheet 3. Right-click, rename, replace, for example, table. Well, like that, and enter directly replaced. So, it's not hard to make tables. So friends, in a way that this simple. Hopefully I can make a table in Excel with ease. Hopefully tutorial. This is useful. Thank you.